A very good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe. Stay home and stay safe. Welcome back to Maths Online Classes. This is the new chapter. Today we explain the new chapter. Two chapters completed in previous classes. Now third chapter. We will start the third chapter. The chapter is construction of quadrilateral. Construction of quadrilateral. So first we learn the introduction for in this chapter. First quadrilateral. First quadrilateral. Television, envelope and canvases or all these examples are called quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is one word. Quadri means four and lateral means sides. Lateral means sides. If you observe all these things quadrilateral, this is one example of quadrilateral. Two main quadrilaterals we get the names to four. These 4 points we call them A, B, C, D. These things that points names are called vertices. And quadrilateral always have 4 vertices. Each point is called vertex A, B, C, D. And quadrilateral have 4 sides AB, BC, CD and DA. It remembers every quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Consider this table. A surface of this table flat, it's plane surface. It looking something like this. If you looking quadrilateral closely, you can see at all the vertices and the size of the quadrilateral line and one plane. So quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 vertices and as closed figure line one plane. Okay, next. Observe all are vertices, then two sides meet at a point that is called an angle. This one angle. So quadrilateral has 4 side angles. This one and this one and this one. This form of 4 angles called a quadrilateral. But how do name the angles? How can name these angles? Well, we can call it angle A or angle DAB or angle BAD. These two cases we names as base size. So this angle is called ABC and this angle is called BCD and this angle is called CDA. Okay children, last basic concept need to know. In this quadrilateral vertices A and C opposite each others. At the same similarly B and D are opposite sides each other. The lines join the vertices is called the diagonals. So next topic is types of quadrilateral. Next topic is types of quadrilateral. Next topic is types of quadrilateral and their properties. What are the quadrilateral? We learn in the first topic, and the next is the types of quadrilateral and their properties. So in the quadrilaterals properties is a types of quadrilateral: parallelogram, square, rectangle, rhombus, trapezium, kite. 7 types are there. Sorry, 6 types are there. What are the types of quadrilateral? Parallelogram, square, rectangle, rhombus, trapezium, kite. These are types of quadrilateral. Next one is the properties of quadrilaterals. Next one is a properties of quadrilateral. Types of quadrilateral and their properties. So here first one is a, what is the first one in the properties? What is the first one here? Properties. It is a parallelogram. First one is a parallelogram. So here parallelogram. So it is a diagram. Parallelogram, quadrilateral A, B, C, D. It is a 4-line segment closed a simple closed line segment bounded by 4 line segments. It is called a parallelogram. It is a quadrilateral also. Okay. So here the properties. What are the properties in parallelogram? Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. What are the opposite sides here? It is a sides AB, BC, CD and DA. These are sides AB, BC, CD and DA. These are sides. Okay. So here opposite sides are parallel. You have to take the AB bar and CD bar. Like this parallel, it is prolonged, produce the line segment. No need of any place of the connect the line segments. Only prolong, produce the line segments only. So AB is a opposite side is a CD and AD is a opposite side is DC. So here observe that AB opposite side is a CD and AD opposite side is BC. So here opposite sides are parallel. So AB parallel CD and AD parallel BC. Next, opposite sides are equal. How to take the any side? 4 sides are there. The opposite AB is a opposite and AD is a BC is a opposite. So AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC. AB equal to CD, AD equal to BC. Sides are equal and also sides are parallel in the properties of parallelogram. Okay, did you understand? Okay, Nana. Now next topic is next properties of topic square. Okay, square. It is a diagram of square A, B, C, D. It is a simple 4-line segment. Simple closed figure bounded a 4-line segment. It is also quadrilateral and square. Okay. So properties. All sides are equal. You have to take the any side AB, BC, AB, BC, CD and DA. Any sides are equal. So AB bar equal to BC bar equal to CD bar equal to DA bar. Okay, all sides are equal. Next, all 4 angles are equal. All means here how many angles are there? 4 angles. All angles are equal and right angles. What are the right angle? 90 degrees. What is a right angle? 90 degrees. So all angles are equal. Angle A equal to, angle B equal to, angle C equal to, angle D equal to 90 degrees. Okay, this is a all angles are right angles. Next, all sides are parallel. All sides are parallel. In this AB side is a parallel to CD and AD side is a parallel to BC. So all sides are parallel. So AB parallel CD and AD parallel BC. AD parallel BC. So it is a properties of square. Okay. Next one is the rectangle. Next topic is a rectangle. So it is a ABCD is a rectangle. In the angles also is there and the sides also. It is a simple closed figure bounded by 4 line segments. So here opposite sides are equal. Only in this rectangle is a opposite sides only equal. AB equal to CD. AB bar equal to CD bar and AD bar equal to BC bar. Only opposite sides are equal. Next, 4 angles are right angle. In this figure also 4 angles are right angle. 4 sides angles are right angle. It means a 90 degrees. Angle A equal to, angle B equal to, angle C equal to, angle D equal to 90 degrees. It is a all angles are 90 degrees. Next, sides are parallel. Sides are all sides. Here 4 sides are there. So it is a parallel. AB parallel, CD, AD parallel, BC. Okay. In this rectangle properties. Next one is a rhombus. Next one is rhombus. Here once observe that it is a rhombus figure. ABCD is a rhombus figure. It is a considered to square. It is a considered to square. So sides are equal. In this property sides are equal. It means of all sides are equal is a square. All sides are equal. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. All sides are equal. Here first one is the sides are equal. So AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. Okay. Next, sides are parallel. Next, sides are parallel. So here sides are parallel. AB parallel CD and AD parallel BC. Here AB parallel CD and AD parallel BC. These are a properties of rhombus. Okay. Next topic is a trapezium. Next topic is a trapezium. So in this figure of a trapezium ABCD. In this figure of a trapezium ABCD. AB is side one side, BC is CD, DA is a 4 sides. So here it is a property. What are the properties of trapezium? Only one pair of a parallel sides. Only one pair of parallel sides. So for example, once observe that it is a only two sides are parallel, because of it is a AB line segment produced the line like this in look like this only producing. Okay, so it is two lines are prolonged, you have to take the any place like this only produced the line segments. So these are only next AD like this only produce the like this only AD line segment and the BC line segment also produced. So these two lines are any one place are meet a one point. It is not a parallel lines. Only did not connect the line segments. That is called a parallel lines. So AB parallel CD. Only one pair of a parallel sides. So that is a AB parallel CD. Next one is kite. Next one is kite. So it is a kite figure. A, B, C, D. It is a kite figure. So it is the properties of a kite. Pair of adjacent sides are equal. Adjacent sides means like this, side by side sides. AB and AD is a adjacent sides. Next, BC and CD is a adjacent sides. Pair of adjacent sides are equal. It means of AB equal to AD. Next one BC equal to CD. These pair of adjacent sides are equal. Next, one pair of opposite angles are equal. One pair of opposite angles are equal. One pair of opposite angles. ABC, the angle ABC opposite is a angle ADC. These are a opposite angle. So angle ABC equal to angle ADC. Opposite angles are equal. So these are properties of a quadrilaterals. Okay children, I hope to understood the properties of quadrilateral. Already we learn in the 7th class, previous class we learn in the properties of a quadrilateral. In this one chapter also is there, quadrilateral figures chapter. Okay, so topic of quadrilateral properties completed. Next main topic is constructing a quadrilateral. Constructing a quadrilateral. This is a main topic in this chapter. So, how to draw the quadrilateral? Which how many sides, how many angles are given, then you draw the quadrilateral. How to draw the quadrilateral? These topics are very important. Listen carefully. The topic is constructing. The topic is constructing a quadrilateral. So first one is, a quadrilateral can be constructed uniquely. Constructed uniquely. It means the length of 4 sides and 1 angle are given. It is a first point, one subject that first point, the length of 4 sides. Given the length of 4 sides and 1 angle, then you draw the quadrilateral. This is a one type. Second one, the length of 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. 4 sides are given and 1 diagonal also given. So it is a second topic, second model. Next, third model. The lengths of 3 sides, have to take the 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. In this problem, third type is the length 3 sides are given and 2 diagonals are given. This is a third model. Next, fourth model. The lengths of 2 adjacent sides. The lengths of 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. So, next model, the lengths of 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. 2 angles, 3 sides and 2 angles. These models are given to the problem and draw the diagrams. It is a model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 models are there. The constructing a quadrilateral. Okay, children. Next, exercise 3.1 in the first problem. Exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. Construct the quadrilateral and write steps. Construct a quadrilateral and write steps. First, must and should draw the diagram. How to the things? Protractor. Take a protractor. Compass with pencil and scale, eraser. So these things are must and should have there. Okay, children? Okay. Now let us start the question. Quadrilateral ABCD with AB equal to 5.5 centimeters, BC equal to 3.5 centimeters, CD equal to 4 centimeters, AD equal to 5 centimeters and angle A equal to 45 degrees. Once observe this question, it is a constructing a quadrilateral step 1. Because of that is a any 4 sides and 1 angle are given. Draw the any 4 sides and 1 angle are given. It is a first step, first method. Okay, did you understand, children? Okay, must and should you have to draw the any diagram? Draw the rough sketch. Draw the rough sketch. That is the examination of point of view. Must and should keep the marks. So now draw the rough diagram. Quadrilateral ABCD. So yes, it is a rough sketch. Imagination of diagram. So it is a rough sketch. So A, B, C, D. So here measurements are given. So here solution. Given that AB equal to 5.5 centimeters, BC equal to 3.5 centimeters, CD equal to 4 centimeters, AD equal to or DA equal to 5 centimeters and angle A equal to 45 degrees. It is a given that. In this problem, given that measurements. Okay. Now here AB equal to 5 centimeters and here BC equal to 3. So here 5.5. 3.5
centimeters. CD equal to 4 centimeters. AD equal to 5 centimeters. So it is the simple closed figure of a quadrilateral. So here given that angle A equal to 45 degrees. It is a rough diagram. Just you draw the rough diagram. Okay children, let us start the main diagram. So it is a base. It is base AB equal to 4. It is in the measurements observe that these all sides are which is the highest side. AB equal to 5.5 centimeters. Now I take the basis 5.0, 1, 2, 0 onwards you counting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here 5.1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the dark line is there one, that is a 5.5. So then join the 2 points. Join the 2 points. Then keep the marks. A, B. It is a 5.5 centimeters. Next, take angle A equal to given. Angle are given. So angle A equal to 45 degrees. Then take a protractor and the center of A. You keep the right angle, you keep the angle A. So you counting the number is right side onwards. Counting the number is right side onwards. Then you keep the left side point. Then you keep the right side point. Then here onwards you keep the point. Then counting the left side onwards. Then here put the mark here onwards, counting the right side. Okay children. So here keep the center with the center A. 45 degrees are given. So once here in this line and this line segment is the same on there. Okay. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So here middle dark line is that is a 45 degrees. So join the, draw the ray. So it is a, so here angle 45 degrees. Next, any side is the AD starting with the AD, yes, 5 centimeters are given. Then take the scale and keep the so 0 to 5. Okay. Then here center of A, draw the one arc. Draw the one arc. Okay children. Next one, another B is there. BC is a 3.5 centimeters. Then have to take the 0 to 3.5 units. The radius is 3.5 with radius is 3.5 onwards. So 3.5 is there. Now center on the B, draw the one arc. Draw the one arc. Okay. Okay children. Next here CD 4 centimeters. How can you draw A, B, C, D? So he already here keep the angle and arc also keep on the ray. So then you have to take the CD equal to 4 centimeters. Take the 4 centimeters measurement. 4 centimeters measurement. Then it is a point is there. Then you draw the intersect the another arc. Intersect the another arc. The two arcs are intersect a meet one point, that is called a C. It is a D. It is a D. Next, now you join the BC and CD. BC and CD. Let us take BC equal to 3.5 centimeters. Next here CD equal to 4 centimeters. Next DA, AD equal to 5 centimeter. So it is correct or not? Once observe that. So here 0 to 3, exact 3 units are there here. Okay, 3.5 units are there. Next here 0 to exact 4 centimeters. Next here 0 to 5. So draw the diagram is correct. Diagram is the all measurements are correct only. So it is a diagram is ABCD quadrilateral. ABCD quadrilateral. Next steps, construction steps. How to write the construction steps? How to write the construction steps? Just what we have to take the measurements and draw the diagram, that is only write in steps only. Okay children, thank you.